If you are a first-time guest and have not received a welcome packet, you can pick one up at the link in the back of the auditorium. We'd appreciate it if you would fill out a welcome card and provide it to one of the ushers before you leave, or just drop it in the offering. After the service, you are invited to come by the link and say hi. We look forward to meeting you and answering any of your questions. Welcome to our church. Enjoy the service.
After this morning's service, a woman born in Bethlehem will be selling items carved from olive wood at the women's ministry table. Proceeds will be sent to support Christians in Bethlehem.
Parents, if you're interested in having your children's ages 5 through 12 join our children's choir, God's Shining Stars, please go to the children's ministry table for more information and to sign up. Rehearsals begin this Saturday, March 20th.
Cornerstone Christian Academy is hosting an open house recreation of Jerusalem to the community on Saturday, March 27th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. There are so many ways to get involved, and whatever time you can give will be greatly appreciated. Sign up for a time slot today at the One Hope table.
We are helping the women at the Battered Women's Shelter get back on their feet again. You can help too by including one of these items in your shopping cart this week. Toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, diapers or pull-ups, baby formula, toilet paper, paper towels, trash bags, and laundry detergent. Items can be dropped off at the church office or with Veronica Rabach on Sunday mornings.
Ladies, your second and final payment for this year's retreat is due today. You can give this last payment at the women's ministry table after this morning's service.
If you haven't yet received a small group's description guide, please pick one up at the link in the back of the auditorium after this morning's service. Connection small groups are your source for friendship, support, and developing connections with others. They officially begin this week. Look over the guide, find a group to plug into, call the leader, show up. It's that simple.
For more information, please visit our website, www.churchpluggedin.com. To sign up for our email newsletter, send an email to news@churchpluggedin.com.